Are you my team? Oh shit. Oh man. Sorry, Bobby.
Hey, go ahead this way, cross here. We're gonna play the tires next.
Your batteries are dead on this gun.
Really?
Yeah.
We got two that went left here.
You see them?
Yep, they went this way, all the way around.
I got one ahead of me, but I can't quite see him. What we got? You guys go down there? What? You guys go down the tree? I just got back. We tried to go down, like down the hill. Who's that? I'm taking that. Why can't we? Next to them guys, none of them got hit.
Well, I called you out once because I saw it hit you.
None of them got, I know, over there, but did none of them guys got hit over there?
No, the guys that I'm standing by, no.
Wow.
Jordan, get over here. Jordan, over here.
Put like half a mag in them, yeah, that's crazy. Holy shit. Alright, see that guy in that corner? See that guy in that corner right there? Like the farthest building to the left of that corner. See him right there? Like that, the farthest building on the left, he's on the corner right next to. You can see a little bit of part of a spool coming out. He'll pop out right there. So I'm gonna dash over to that other spool, but I don't want to get lit up. What's the time? Do you have time? No time. Oh, he's out? Oh, it feels something.
Oh, that was a hit.
Huh?
You just got hit.
I got hit right
Yep,
here?
yep.
Okay.
How does he not hear that? Hey, it's Oscar with my gun.
Stop.
Hey, keep your mask down. Mask down. Thank you.
How much time is left, Ref?
I'm not throwing with the time. Yes, sir.
He's videotaping me because I kick your ass.
Evan. I got a really good thing. Hey, what? Look at Evan.
Guys, kind of getting shot at.
All right, you're hit, dude. You're hit.
Just a little.
You're hit.
Tyler's hit.
Well, I'm having to call people out, man. Should be able to call it themselves.
You guys right around the corner. You guys cheating?
Did they speak through this stuff? No. Did we both go through this?
Come on, do something. Oh, that was a hit.
Yeah, I know.
He's out. He's out. That was pretty crazy, too.
Okay, you guys ready to go? Where's my ammo?
Jaden has it.
Jaden. Who's Jaden?
I'm like running out of ammo so hardcore right now. Rush him, dude. Don't shoot at his gun. It's just. It's not worth it, Brandon. That was a bank shot.
Yeah, I know. I shot my own bunker.
It's not.
Here.
Hey guys. Oh.
Guys, they're charging left side. Get up. They're coming this side. Dude, get up. They're coming that way. A bunch of them.
Gotta be more descriptive.